Presido Buhari don launch Koret technology to monitor government projects. To help monitor government projects and reduce corruption, Presido Buhari don launch iMark. This technology go help informate citizens about any government project when government dey do for their area and citizens fit drop their feedback.
The iMark application provides us with the opportunity to express to Nigerians and the world at large the projects and initiatives we work so hard to make a reality every day. It gives us a chance to educate the population on the reasons behind every project and our theory of change, which details the long, medium, and short-term impact we aim to achieve in relation to activities required for each project.
Presido Buhari constantly and say this project go make government accountable and transparent.
Not only does this address pressing M&E issues, but it also institutes accountability and transparency in the system, in line with my commitment to Nigerians and the open government partnership. This administration has invested more than any administration in infrastructure, but unless we closely monitor our investments, they will yield less value.
Buhari talks to Nigerians now stakeholders for any government project and government they listen well.
To my fellow Nigerians and civil society organizations, you are the main stakeholder in every project we undertake. As I encourage you to review our projects, I also assure you that our constructive feedback is not met with deaf ears, but an M&E team eagerly ready to respond to you and take action. I further implore all MDAs to furnish the application with the relevant data and information for all current and future projects, as the iMark application offers us an opportunity to sensitize and advertise to the world the goals and magnitude of infrastructure projects being carried out by this administration.
Omo Aluke Ajakaye, TMC TV News. Make you remember to your PVC and your power. Not saying I'm giving a politician an election day.